Craving cookies but don't want to preheat a big oven? Use your convection microwave oven instead and save time and energy. Grab your grill tray and line with baking paper, then roll out your cookies. You can place the tray on the upper or lower shelf options available. Tap to select the oven mode, then turn the dial to choose your desired baking temperature. Press to confirm and then press again to preheat. Once the oven beeps, it's come to temperature, so you can set your cooking time by using the dial and then pushing the dial to confirm and start baking. Once finished, allow the cookies to cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Who knew? For perfectly baked cookies in no time, your convection microwave oven is all you need.